Hey guys, before I start this vape trick tutorial, I just wanted to say thanks so much for 100k subscribers, and let's get into the video. What's up guys, I'm back with another vape trick tutorial, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do a ghost inhale. I'm going to flash a couple clips from my previous videos to show you guys exactly what a ghost looks like, but basically a ghost is when you release a ball of vapor from your mouth and you inhale it back in. So there's three main steps to doing a ghost, which I think are the most important. And I would say it's the release of the ghost, how fast you let the ghost out, and the inhale of the ghost. So you want to take a mouth hit, not a lung hit. And if you want to check out my other vape trick tutorials, I actually explain the difference between a lung and a mouth hit. The first key step to doing this trick is you want to release the vape from your mouth in a ball formation. You don't want to exhale a cloud out of your mouth. So I'm going to show you guys exactly what I mean by releasing the ball out of your mouth, not exhaling a cloud. So you don't want to breathe out a cloud like this. You want to let the vape flow out of your mouth like this. So the first thing you want to do with the release is you want to make a tight O-face formation with your mouth like this. Now that you guys have your mouth in a tight O formation, you're going to want to release the ghost out. So the best way to do this, in my opinion, is to push with your tongue and release your O formation at the same time. So you're going to want to release your O mouth into like normal like this. Also, depending on how hard you push the ghost out with your tongue, the closer or further away it's going to be from your face. So if you push your tongue really hard, the ghost is going to go far away from your face, and if you lightly push your tongue, it'll be closer to your face. Another thing you want to keep in mind is depending on how hard you release the vape out with your tongue will definitely affect the density of the ghost. So if you flick your tongue hard, the vape will come out a lot thinner, and if you flick your tongue a little softer, usually the ghost will come out a lot denser. For me, I think I can get a much more dense ghost if I release my tongue slower. So if I flick my tongue slower, I'll definitely get a more dense ball that comes out as opposed to flicking it fast. If the ghost ends up coming out further, it's easier to follow it with your body or almost chase it. So if the ghost is like this, you're gonna wanna like chase it. And if it's closer to your face, it's better to stay stationary and just inhale it from there. So now that we've covered the release and how fast to let the ghost out, it's time to go over the inhale. The way you inhale the ghost will also affect how the ghost looks. When I inhale the ghost, I usually make a face where my lips are outwards, just like this. Because depending on how you shape your mouth, you'll either inhale your ghost a lot faster or a lot slower. So if you open your mouth all the way, like, you're gonna inhale it really fast. So that's why I kind of keep a happy medium with like not fully open, but pretty much like halfway open. I'd recommend trying to inhale the vapor of the ghost slower rather than faster, just because it looks much more visually appealing when you inhale the ghost slow. Keep in mind that minimal movement during the inhale of your ghost will keep the vapor to linger in the air for much longer. For the ghost inhale, I personally like to do a medium release and inhale. And I also like to keep my O face pretty small when I'm inhaling the ghost because it'll make the ghost very dense and easy to see. So that's pretty much all there is to this trick. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll definitely be making more videos soon.